Um, Talk about modernizing in a modern way. You certainly are building a capability over there at ServiceNow to unlock these capabilities for all these various agencies to address these customer needs and do it very quickly and very securely. You've got a unique position where you're striped across a lot of different agencies, seeing a lot of different things. Give us a top line as to where ServiceNow is being incorporated to bring these folks on their journey.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. At this point in ServiceNow's journey in the federal government, we're in most agencies.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of agencies brought ServiceNow in originally as a tool for IT service management or, some IT capabilities, and that's part of the history of this company. But really, when ServiceNow was founded, it was founded as this platform for transformation. We've used that word many times, and the ServiceNow platform is built to connect things, just like Heidi was describing. There's lots of things in the environment that need to be connected to create a cohesive and comprehensive customer experience, whether that's an external customer or an internal customer. And more, ServiceNow customers are pivoting from using ServiceNow strictly in an IT space to using ServiceNow as that platform for these transformations in their agencies. And it takes a lot of different forms, right? Sometimes it's looking at existing processes that cut across lots of individual systems, different systems of record, or processes that were built in email or spreadsheets or whatnot, and using the platform and the workflow capabilities, the AI capabilities, and other great technologies built into the platform as as the engine to really digitize that transformation, digitize that process, transform it in a way that makes it easier for everyone to interact, understand the status of an action, to track work, or for a citizen to make a request of an agency, or another agency to make a request of an agency. And those kinds of modernization projects are very common, at this point in with ServiceNow customers. And really, it's that opportunity to change the way people interact with the existing technologies, creating a modern user experience, a mobile experience, using ServiceNow, but not necessarily having to replace all of the underlying systems. Once you create the process and people have a better customer experience, a CIO at that point has a lot more control over how those underlying systems may be replaced or upgraded or changed over time. You're not necessarily focused on, I have to change things immediately to give people a better experience or change the way people interact with these technologies. I think it's a scenario where the CIO or the IT organization becomes the provider of a great service, and then underlying, no one has to see how complex it can be, but as CIOs and IT leaders, we know we're trying to decrease complexity, make it less, make it easier to manage and run these applications. And you can do that on your schedule, on your terms, and in a way that's invisible, hopefully, to the people who rely on those applications.
Absolutely.